ang Gospel Bookroom of the Philippines madasigong nagtanyag kaninyo sa balaang Biblia hubad pahiuli. Kini ang bugtong talagsaong Biblia nga dunay mahinungdanong mga bahin na makatabang nimo sa pagbasa ug pagtuon sa kasulatan. Duna kini kapin sa 15,000 kanota nga nagbukas gyud sa pulong sa Dios. Detalyeng mga talangdan sa matag basahon. Kapin sa 26,000 nga referensya o mga kasayuran sa kasaysayan o mga chart o mga mapa. Makatabang kining tanan nga makasabot ka sa mas lalom nga kahulugan sa kasulatan. Nagtuog yun mi nga kining hubad pahiuli, makatabang yun nimo nga makasabot o makapahimulos sa pulong sa Dios. Duawa ang Gospel Bookroom display area aron makapalit sa imong kopya. A new selection of books and booklets are also available for your personal nourishment and corporate enjoyment in the Word. The 10 great critical ones for the building up of the body of Christ. This book is concerning 10 precious truths: one Bible, one God, one Christ, one Spirit, one life, one salvation, one living, one testimony, one body, and one city. 3 aspects of the church, Book 3. The organization of the church. The organization of the church must be full of the life of God, for a true church organization is built upon God's life. Basic principles for the church meetings. A primary characteristic of a Christian is meeting with other believers. We should experience Christ in our daily living so that we can exhibit and minister Him in the meetings. The speciality, generality, and practicality of the church life. There are 3 vital items for the growth and preservation of the church: the speciality, the common faith; the generality, the broad attitude of receiving one another; and the practicality, the way for the church to grow. The bridge and channel of God. Man is God's way for His move, His bridge and channel. The Truth Lessons, Level 1. The Truth Lessons is a series of 192 lessons covering the crucial points of the Bible and is designed to be completed in 4 years with 48 lessons each year. Preparing for the Lord's return. The Lord's second coming should stir us up to love Him and His appearing. Let us love Him and eagerly await His return. Also available are books and booklets for the young people, which are provided to encourage, equip, and strengthen the young people to become useful vessels to turn this age. A young man in God's plan. Fellowship with the young people. God, education, and character. Treasuring the teenage years for the Lord. New booklets available. A genuine church. Expecting the Lord's blessing. How to know God's will. Christ becoming our wisdom. The kingdom and the church. These inspiring titles are now available at the book display area. Secure your copy today before stocks run out. You may also order through our website at www.gbpi.org.ph and have them delivered right to your doorstep.